Let's explore Docker Desktop settings. Configuring Docker Desktop properly is crucial for optimal performance. We'll focus on maximizing performance, optimizing resource allocation, and enhancing your development workflow. Docker Desktop provides an easy-to-use visual interface for managing containers, images, and volumes with intuitive controls. It also provides a seamless integration with your development environment, offering native performance. Let's see how to access the settings in Docker Desktop. First, open Docker Desktop. Then, find and click on the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once you're in the settings panel, you can navigate through the various categories to adjust different aspects of your Docker Desktop environment. You can find the settings gear icon at the top right corner of the Docker Desktop. In the general settings, you can configure startup options such as starting Docker Desktop when you log in and opening the Docker dashboard at startup. You can also integrate with your system by using the Windows subsystem for Linux 2-based engine. Finally, you can choose whether or not to send usage statistics to Docker. The Resources section allows you to configure the amount of system resources Docker Desktop can use. You can adjust the memory, which is random access memory, and central processing unit cores allocated to Docker. Setting appropriate values here is essential for performance. You can also configure swap memory and disk image size. Optimized file sharing is recommended. Docker engine configuration involves customizing the Docker daemon using the daemon.json file. Here you can configure logging options to manage log file sizes, specifying the maximum size and number of files. Registry mirrors can also be configured for faster image pulls by adding mirror URLs. To optimize performance, share only the necessary directories for file sharing. Avoid sharing entire drives, as this can slow down the system. Use bind mounts efficiently. Also, enable hardware acceleration to improve performance. Using the Windows subsystem for Linux 2 backend is also recommended for better performance. Perform regular cleanup operations to keep your system running smoothly. Here's a summary of the best practices we've discussed. For resource allocation, allocate sufficient memory, configure central processing unit cores appropriately, and monitor disk usage. For performance tuning, enable Windows subsystem for Linux 2 backend, optimize file sharing, and perform regular maintenance. By following these best practices for optimal Docker Desktop configuration, you can ensure a smooth development workflow. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.